As they'd say in local news, hey everyone, drink lots of water, wear cool clothing, wear bright or light colors.
What, I can't wear my abaya?
Your what?
My abaya, you know, my black robe.
No, not a good idea.
The Riyadh wear?
If you have to be outside, stay in the shade, duck into air-conditioned buildings once in a while.
I mean, are we really giving out this advice? I mean, no offense, but, you know, I think people know, you know, they're hot and they hear air conditioning, feel it, they kind of try to get close.
Well,
Sorry. I am laughing at ourselves. We have to be able to do that.
well, actually, you're crapping all over our producer, but that's okay.
Oh, come on. Let's get to the Weather Channel's Jen Carfango for more on the heat, where it's going, how hot will it get. Hi, Jen.
Hi, good morning. You know, I have to tell you the best advice I've heard is to eat something that makes you sweat, like something spicy, like Kung Pao chicken. Because if you sweat, then you have that damp feeling on your skin and it evaporates, and that will actually make you feel cooler. I thought that was pretty cool.